You might be noticing that you can't receive messages even though your friends said they sent you one. So in this video, I'm gonna tackle on some of the reasons why you can't receive messages on iPhone. Without further ado, let's get started. Now, the first reason might be with your cellular network issues. So to help restart that, just scroll down through the top right part of your screen, and that should open up your control center. Now from here, you need to toggle on your airplane mode on and turn it off once again. So that should help in resetting the network settings as well as help in reconnecting to your cell network as well. Now, if that is not the case, we can go to the settings app over here. Just gonna go up so I can guide you and scroll down and click on messages over here. Now from here, we can turn off the iMessage option and turn it back on just to reset the activation of our iMessage. Now, next is, let's scroll down on this page and make sure that filter unknown senders is turned off like this one. So this toggle button should be gray. So if it's green for you, just tap on the toggle button again so that contacts that or your friends that might be contacting you are not in your contacts. So turning this off will help you receive those messages. Now, last thing you can check is your blocked contacts over here. So tap on blocked contacts and make sure that the friend who is trying to contact you is not on this list.
So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.